Oh my god, don't squeeze it, huh?
No, I'm trying to keep it close together so I can put glue on it.
So how about the other one? Oh, okay then.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hello guys, good evening. Good morning guys. Alis lang ako guys, puntahan ko si kukunin ko si Brenda. Gutom na pala ako, kailangan ko na magdalang chocolate. Dalhin natin sila sa ano. Kuha ako ng chocolate guys kasi nagutom ako, magdala tayo. Kasi meron tayong maraming chocolate dito. Anyway. So yun, si Tami, hindi pa ako nakaalis kasi si Tami naglalaro pa sa kuryente na naman sa light kalabas kasi hindi pa daw talaga tapos. So kaya yun. Uy, I think marami pa ako dito. Huwag natin damihan. Anyway, nahirapan ako magpadala ng pira sa sa Facebook. Kasi marami may 3 tayong nanalo sa pa-Gcash natin sa giveaway ayuda sa Pinas sa Facebook page po guys. Kaso wala talaga, ang hirap. Parang kung padala ko parang mahirap man. Ay, parang bakit mahirapan sila kumuha ng pera? Or bakit hindi dumating dahil gabi? Is it possible dahil gabi? Yun ang hindi ko alam. And it's already 12:12, so ang dami kong chocolate. Oh. So ngayon, ay guys, alis na tayo guys. Ang ginaw. Kailangan kong i-open pala itong garahian bago tayo kaalis. Ang ginaw ng mundo. Okay, let's go. Kailangan ko pa palang mag-lipstick kasi sobrang puti ng mukha ko. Sobrang puti. Okay, let's go na. Anyway guys, mahangin din ay. Grabe yung hangin ngayong panahon na ito. Iwan ko, basta every pa-summer na, yung ma-obserbahan namin ni Tami, hangin. Hangin, grabe yung hangin. Iwan ko na lang si Batman. Yun, ang dumi ng sasakyan ko. Sabi ko kay Tami, maglinis tayo pag talagang summer na, pag talagang tapos na kami sa ano, tapos na kami sa garden. And the next is sasakyan. Kailangan naming maglinis. Ang dumi. Umulan na. Guys, so galing kami sa bahay guys. And hinatid ko na si Brenda. Nag-karaoke lang kami kanina doon. And yun, naputol yung karaoke namin dahil itong asawa ko nakakaloka guys. Ginoo ko, sabi ko wag na siyang gagawa ng mga kahit ano-ano habang andun si Brenda kasi baka anong mangyari sa kanya kasi umaakit siya sa gilid ng bahay kasi inaayos yung light, yung nakakaloka kasi habang nagkakantahan kami tinawag niya ako, sabi Han, help kasi may ginagawa pala siya. Pagkatapos niyang ayusin yung light doon sa gilid, inano niya yung sliding door, inayos niya ba screen kasi puro butas-butas na yung screen, kailangan niyang ayusin. Ay nako, naloka na si Batman. Ang nangyari guys, kinat niya yung sarili niya dito. Ang lalim at ang laki, ganon. Ang lalim, pati si Brenda, sabi pa ni Brenda, nagngisi daw, nag-smile daw yung cut. Na ako yung natakot sa mga nangyayari kasi ang grabe yung dugo. Ginoo ko, hindi ako mapalagay, grabe yung dugo talaga. Ay, sabi ko, iwan ko na lang. Nataranta ako nagalit na hindi ko maintindihan. Kasi sabi ko kasi wag kang gagawa ng kahit ano habang wala ako sa tabi mo. Kasi yan siya, palaging ganon. May mangyayari. At saka ako yung takot. Grabe ang lalim guys, grabe. Sabi ko, hinatid ko na si Brenda. Hinatid ko pauwi kasi iniwan ko na siya. Tinawagan ako ni Tami. Sabi pa niya, hindi daw ako pwedeng magpunta sa garahean kasi magpa-drive daw siya sa CVS. Kailangan niyang bumili ng mga super glue. Kasi i-glue daw niya yung sobrang lalim na cut dito. Paano yan? Mahilig yan siya mag-glue-glue eh. Ang tagal ni Mr. Cupido. Cut his freaking hand. Grabe na ang tigas ng ulo nito. The hard-headed husband is here. Okay. So let me see.
It was fine.
Not fine. So what are we gonna do? Look, oh, blood, oh.
Yeah, whatever.
Did you put the screen already?
The screen's on.
Won't listen. You cannot just do it when I'm around and like.
It wouldn't make a difference. I still would have cut my arm. Would have made no friggin' difference.
It will be freaking different, honey, when I'm there.
Why? Would I have cut your arm open instead? Come on. Seriously? But look, see, look.
They can't see nothing. So now
I wanted to use the heavy black screen like we use on the back door, but it wasn't wide enough to what I had left. No, it was wide enough, wasn't long enough.
Did you close the door? Locked it?
Yes. So, I had this piece of screen that I had lying around, so I used this one.
Did you overdo this, hon?
Made it too tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it had to be really tight. Because there's a lot of bleeding.
Show your thing. Show your hand.
I don't mind showing my hand.
Look at guys, oh, may dugo pa, oh, nagdugo-dugo pa
From
talaga.
here to here.
Yeah, it's really deep and it's opening. Like Brenda even see, wow, it's smiling because it's like
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Well, luckily it seems like I missed a vein because there's veins right there. See the veins?
Yeah.
Luckily, it looks like I missed them. I figured if I got them, my whole arm would be swollen up from all the blood building up inside my arm, and then it would be a problem. Then it only takes a little while before you run out of.
You have to be careful,
Look at the
hon. We're not young anymore. Okay? You are not young.
Speak for yourself. I'm young.
Seriously. Man, I'm worried about when you do something. That's why I can't even leave you. It's like, it's just, I don't know. It's hard. Dito kami guys sa CVS. Kung saan ako nagdagay. May hinahanap lang ako na eyeliner. Yun yung hinahanap ko. Meron ako pinicturean ko ba. So yun yung ko. Where are you going? Why is it quiet here? Wala masyadong tao. Hanap tayo ng mga makeup. Ito yung binili ni Tami. Meron pa sa kamay niya ang dami. Naghanap siya ng crazy glow. This is for school thing. Gorilla Glue, Super Glue, Nakaloka, Crazy Glue.
Wait, you're not over there. You're over here.
Yeah, but I'm in there.
But it's on record. So.
Let me see if there's nothing. I'm just gonna look for it, guys. Yung nasurahan dito, guys. Daytime ngayon. Daytime. There's nothing in there. Hi guys, I'm so worried about this husband I have here. He is like, every time he hurt himself, it's just like I'm the one feeling. Do you want something with that? Do you want me to hit the fork?
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
Do you want me to hit this, that you can have this here side? There's very little left. Yung seafood namin kagabi, Tami doesn't finish this, so he will finish this tomorrow.
You will not. You will eat it. Crab legs. I ordered them because you didn't order any. And you originally wanted crabs.
Do you want some?
Want water?
Do you want me to get the chicken?
Want water?
I'm the one drink. Do you want me to hit the chicken? What time is it? Oh my god, it's 7:05 pero guys, tingnan niyo yun sa labas. It still have light. And guys, remember guys, I showed you that this is my first ever orchids. First ever. I'm 38 years old, okay? First ever orchid flower. So I'm trying to straighten out because usually when you go to the store and when you buy something, it's already like straight out like that, because while it's still a baby, they always like put it on the, you know, stick to follow the stick to have a straight body. But I keep forcing it, because Tommy got me a clip. So that's why I said, oh, he got a clip, so why not use it? So I keep straightening it. Look what happened. Phew! It's like I was heartbroken over there. But hopefully it will come back. Hopefully I still have another flower this summer, right, bebe? Tommy's fault because he got me that clip thing for plant. Hi guys. So ngayon guys, i-check na ni Tommy yung mga light na ginagawa niya sa labas, yung dahilan kung bakit. Isa sa dahilan kung bakit na samad na nasugatan itong kamay niya. So which, what the heck is that? I eat some flying thing went to my mouth. So, i-check daw niya kung nag-work ba na. How do you call that, the light that you fixed? Motion sensor. Tignan natin kung ano ba, you have to turn the light on, right? Ang dami namang, hello, it's windy, han. Misty! Misty! Come on! Come on, baby. Ginaw, guys. Hindi to. Behave. Oh my god, this shoes is ripped, oh. Well, it's like, no.
Holes in the side, holes in the bottom, holes in the top.
Ay, ang ginaw, eh. Tignan nyo to. Ito, nag-work. Ito siya. Tignan nyo yung flag ni Tommy, my light. Lumilipad na itong mga ano. You can put that down, oh. Put this down, Han. This one, it will go to the plant. Okay, good. It's windy kasi guys. May light yung flag niya, di ba? So, tignan natin dito kung mag-light ba. Oh, I don't see the motion. Oh, it works. So how about the other one? Oh, okay then. So I guess magpalibot-libot kami ngayon guys. Kasi gusto niyang tignan. Kaloka naman itong mister ko eh. Libot-libot daw siya. Tignan lang natin kung mag-on ba talaga. Oh, ang ganda ng light oh. Let's see. Oh, it works. Oh, it works too. Huh? Oh. Nag-work yung buong, hala. Okay then. Oh, let me see the screen. Ito yung nilagay niyang bagong screen. Oh, oh that's so fine. It works yung mga light. So, yung buong bahay may ano na. Kapag may maglakad dito kasi. Kapag may maglakad-lakad guys, gabi, yung mga taong mga dilingo na to. Mag-automatic yan sila light. So, which is good. Ay, merong light dyan. Ayan, kaya ito yung mga pinagagawa niya guys, buhay. Yung bahay namin. And how many minutes is this gonna shut off? How many minutes? 5 minutes? That's really long. Okay, dito tayo. Kaloka. Buong bahay may light. Kapag may maglalakad, wa na. Sensor lahat.
Here.
Oh my god, it's really deep. Oh my god, don't squeeze it, huh?
No, I'm trying to keep it close together so I can put glue on it.
Okay, where's the
I need to
glove?
wash it off first. It's right
You
here.
have to wash it off, okay. So now it's
And
if
then I
you
need
wash
to-
it off,
Get
that
me a
makes...
witch hazel spray.
Huh?
Get me a witch hazel spray.
What is it with hazel spray? Oh, it's right here. Witch hazel? Oh, my baby. Oh, be careful. I'm sorry, baby. I really don't want to see you in pain. I'm the one feeling the pain too, baby.
If I open my hand, it like.
Oh my
opens it.
God, it's open up.
Well, I'm trying to make.
Oh,
I'm trying to keep my
it's
hand.
really long. Can you show it? Look, it's really long, guys. Remember your jeans when you wash it? You have a thing in there.
Yeah. Barely.
I
missed it.
really thought you did cut your vein, Tommy. That's why I freaked out.
Close,
No, I mean,
close.
yeah, it's close. It's
See,
very
there's
close.
a vein right here. It goes like this.
There should be vein in there too.
There is.
Oh, kawawa man
Okay.
itong baby ko. Okay, so now what? Oh, okay. Yeah, where is the thing? We have to put this. Oh no, we have to put this before you do that, hon. What is that for? Okay, let me open it.
I think it just flies.
Okay, can you do it? Okay. Ah, stinging, sting.
But
Oh, what else? Okay. I need to open it, and then I'm not gonna use my hand because it's not clean.
yeah, but now I'll have to glue it this way.
And you have to wait for it for a while, and then you wipe the extra thing.
Well, I'm gonna have to bandage it without gluing it then for right now.
Okay.
Glue on
Where's
top
the
of it.
you want a bandage first? Bandage or with those gloves first?
Just the gloves first and then
Bandage. Sobrang laki. Uy!
the swelling is like.
It's swollen.
Yeah, I'm just worried if there's an infection in it. It's probably.
So, prioritize that.
It's a big freaking glove.
Yes, that's what we do first. That's what we want first. And then after that, this. And then this one.
Well, you know, I can just put the old one back. Where's the old one?
No, I threw it out. There's a lot of things in there.
Yeah, I know, but it's
No.
that's not touching this.
No problem. Oh my God.
I just don't, it's, you know, it can't be as tight as it was now.
You can't, we're not gonna put it like tight.
No.
I think we have extra of this like this here from mom. Not so tight.
That's it. Cut this.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
And I bought tape.
I'll do it, hon. Can you just leave it for now? Goodness.
It doesn't have to be that long. Like crazy.
Usually you do long.
Like
Because when you go wash your hand,
one up here.
we have this one too. You know, mom have a lot of stuff.
I know, I bought it.
Another extra one over there, over here, over here,
No,
over here. Yes.
the tape is just keep it from unraveling. The end is what unravels. It's gonna unravel over there.
Baby, in pain? In pain?
Got pains.
In pain?
Yeah, it's got pains.
I love you. I'm sorry.
It's
You're
alright.
very clumsy and curlies and all that thing. You cannot just be...
Put this with the other bandages and stuff.
Yeah.
And put the new bandages and this and the glue.
Everything in the... all because we have
I
file
want to be
in
able to
there.
find that glue.
I-end ko na to itong vlog, guys. I-end na namin itong vlog. Yun, it's time to end the vlog, eh. Thank you, guys, so much for watching. Yun, kita-kits tayo sa susunod. Kita-kits tayo sa next vlog. So, ngayon, meron ako ditong duct tape. Magpa-duct tape yung si Mister sa bibig niya, hindi. I-duct tape lang ko lang yung ano niya. Yung kamay niya kasi kapag maganon kasi niya, it's going to open up. I'll do it.
I'll do it. I know exactly what I want to do. I guess make it 2 little pieces out of it.
Okay, then let me do cut it.
What's the thing about duct tape? And then you can just put it like this.
Oh, okay. I don't know that. And then you have to do it like that.
Right, I'm just trying to keep my hand in that position.
And then this one over here too. Okay, where?
Right there.
Is it holding it?
Yeah, it's just to keep my hand from like, because you know at night I move around a lot and grab the thing.
Anyway, guys, good night. Good night, good night, good night. Come here, baby. Say good night.
Bye, guys.
Poor little Tamimoy.
Go out
Hurt
and have a
himself.
cigarette.
And then, we're
And
gonna
then
go
we'll
to bed. Yeah. Did you give them treats already?
Not yet.
Sige. Salamat. Kita-kits tayo next time. Salami. 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 Beloni.